So I heard that PCBros is going to steal all of our computer parts.
So we stole their camera.
Guys, come on. What are y'all doing? Guys.
Whoa, what the heck?
What are these guys doing?
I don't know what they're doing, but we're here to build a PC today at PCBros, so let's get started with
do it.
But first, a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by Thermaltake and their enthusiast-friendly Core P3TG Pro case, which is a new rendition on the iconic P series that delivers awesome build quality and a unique design. With the addition of another fan bracket, you can add even more fans to your case and support up to a 420mm radiator, along with an updated recessed design on the motherboard side vent to avoid interference when using a really big GPU like the RTX 4000 series, while also featuring a solid vertical GPU mount option to really show off that next-gen graphics card. They also updated the front I/O and designed the case with expansion and customization in mind, with its very modular design so you can build it to fit your needs. This case is great for building an awesome custom loop PC or just a super clean next-gen high-end gaming rig. To learn more about this enthusiast case, check the link down below, and big thanks again to Thermaltake for sponsoring today's video.
But in all seriousness, guys, we're going to show you guys how we plan a PC at PCBros. Wait, copyright music, copyright music.
They can't hear it.
You can't hear it. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and go back here. Let me adjust this white balance for you guys so you know what's going on. But we thought, you know what, we got to plan a PC for PCBros, and we have a lot of spare parts. So that would be kind of interesting just to go through our shelf of spare parts and see if we can make a build that makes sense.
Yeah, there's a 6900 XT up there apparently. Let's see what this is.
X58.
It's an EVGA X58 SLI with Xeon, 12 gigs of RAM. Well, we paid $15 for that. So we do have some really good prices that we pay for some of this stuff, but it's just stuff that we get from, like, we have a lot of people come in locally to sell stuff to us at PCBros. We do have a brick and mortar store if you didn't know. So yeah, we get a lot of that. Oh, this is cool. So it says our motherboard. I'm assuming Will put this together. i3-10100F paid $30.
Wow.
16 gigs of DR4, $30, and a 512 gig SSD, $20.
I think that's a good basis.
Does it have a freaking IO shield though? That's the real.
That's probably why it was $30. No IO shield. Oh, it's in there. You know what? I think that's where we're gonna start. So
okay.
i3-10100. Do we have a GPU that makes sense with it though before we go that direction?
We have a 30. Is that actually a 3070? Yeah, 3070.
How much do we pay for that 3070?
We got this for $375.
That's pretty good.
It says that it works. We have a B550 and a what graphics card? It just says graphics card. Let's see. It's a 1650 Ventus, and it's a, I don't know why I was getting ready to read how much RAM it has. It's a 4 gig, that's what they all are. Okay,
we'll do that.
This is kind of making sense. So 1650, i3, 16 gigs of RGB RAM. Do we have any storage back here? Or did that have storage in it? Oh, it does. It has a freaking 512 gig.
Oh yeah, that's part of the deal. Why is it just, I'm confused. It's all our stuff. So like, why is it, do we need to ask Will?
Will, we're gonna interrogate you.
Okay.
It says we have an i3-10100F, and it says our motherboard. What does that mean?
So that was a trade-in we got with some of those parts, and we had to use our motherboard to test all those parts first.
And you just left it.
And I just left it in there.
Okay.
Yeah, just easy as that, because the parts, if I had mixed them on the shelf, we would have known we saved money on them.
True. Save money, live better, Will.
So then that is actually a good deal then.
Yeah.
I mean, everything was priced together very well. So then we have the 1650 to go with it.
And that we said we paid $200. Oh, there's like stuff on this. So we paid $200 and we got.
What is this? This is the B550. This is another one. We're just finding gems today. We don't even know what we buy here.
It's a B250.
Oh, B250.
It's a B250. Where did that sticky note go? Here it is. M6 B550.
Well, why does it say motherboard B550? Did we get scammed? Because it's in a B550 box.
Right. Okay, let's consult with.
We need to consult with people about this.
One more question. This says we paid $200 cash.
So that's actually the only one I didn't know anything about.
Okay.
So, frankly, that's kind of a.
There was just some concern because it was inside a B550M box.
But it's a B250M.
Yeah.
But it's a B250?
I've never even heard of a B250.
Okay, well, it just said, the sticky note just said B550.
Oh, no, I mean, I think we just count the 1650 as I think we paid $200 for this motherboard CPU RAM combo. So
what CPU is it?
Do you want to find out real quick?
I feel like we need to find out real quick.
I figured let's just see what this is just for fun, because we are kind of the owners of the business and we should
probably know what we're buying. What we got?
Oh, it's an i3-7100, so definitely,
okay.
I mean,
definitely low
not
RAM.
bad, but like wouldn't be great. Is that a 2-core 4-thread still, or what even is that?
7100 would, I don't know. That's actually, I don't have my phone on me.
Could be a quad core by then. I'm not really sure, but regardless, so yeah, I think we can just agree that we'll just say we paid $100 for this RAM kit, the cooler, the i3 7100, and the motherboard, but that really doesn't matter. The main thing, the reason I'm saying that means we paid $100 for our 1650, which I think is a...
So far, we're $190 in for everything minus the power supply and case.
Power supply case, what is this? It's a Seasonic Focus. Why is it modular, but like semi-modular, but like has like no connectors?
Would it have everything we need though? Because it is
Oh my God,
missing
it's
stuff.
750.
Oh, that would be so overkill.
It has...
Doesn't need PCI.
It has no freaking SATA, does it? So we have a 700 BR that we paid 20 for. This one says we paid $0 for it. Hey, Will, is this Ares game just one of our test power supplies, maybe?
All right, well.
All right, let me give
right,
you the mic.
It tested good, everything's fine about it, but when we got it, it was in pieces. Somebody had took it apart and had gone through it and had looked at everything, and I put it back together carefully, and it was fine. I tested with the power supply tester and everything checked out.
So wait, was it from one of our PCs?
Yeah, so they bought a computer from us about 6 months ago, upgraded the power supply with that other one on the shelf, and I guess they just got curious and wanted to see what was inside of that old power supply.
Of all the things to take
So,
apart.
and it really was free?
Yeah, it really was free. We didn't
Donated
charge
it.
anything for it because, frankly, it was in pieces when we were offering him something for it, so.
Cool, okay, well, dude, like this
I
would probably
guess,
make
yeah,
the most sense,
Ares game, let's go.
So that leaves us
case.
with needing a case, and there is a case that I think we paid, $10, and we bought it on 10/18/22. So we bought this about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, it'd be a $200 build. Which we
$200
could,
PC, and then in theory we can probably sell it. We're gonna do some rigorous testing because that power supply, man, I know it is tested. We got a repair guy that's Will, he tests stuff, does some bench testing and load and stuff, but we do need to benchmark everything, make sure it's good. But I think if everything works good and it looks pretty decent, we could probably sell it for like $500-600.
yeah,
you know?
probably easily over at PCBros.
I wonder if we can add, do you think we can add any lights to it?
Yeah, let's just throw Vitra. I mean, we're already at only $200 for this whole build, so
We
might
do have
as
a
well.
lot of extra VTrue fans. Another perk of PC business is we buy like VTrue AIOs, and we have, actually, let's show them the stock.
Yeah, so let's look at the stock.
So you guys see these. You have to have a lot of VTrue coolers and fans, and we have a lot. Yeah, you can actually buy these. We'll have links in the description down below. There'll be affiliate links, and these are one of our favorite fans because they're ARGB. They come with the best hubs ever that a lot of companies actually use in other applications, so they're pretty sweet.
Yep, so we'll take these and add, what do we say, like 30 bucks?
We can just round up and say we're at 240 bucks for the build, you know?
I think we should put it together.
Let's do it.
But yeah, this is a build that's not meant to be opened. So yeah, this is all you're gonna see, but I swear everything that's in there is what we use. The 1650 and the i3, and it's actually not too bad looking. I mean, it's gonna have good airflow with that RGB on the side, but it's basically taking like an old style case and add a little RGB modern flair to it.
Yeah, and I know we named about 30 different prices, but I think in terms of the actual build, we probably have like a tad under 300 when you include the motherboard. Don't really have to count Matt and I's labor, and then we have to install Windows 10 Pro on it. We'll use GVG Mod for that, and our Windows activation will be about 15 bucks. So yeah, a little over 300 bucks, and I think this bad boy will probably go for like 5-6, but we gotta test it though to make sure it actually can go.
Let's game.
All right, guys, we're playing Apex Legends. We're on medium low settings, 1920 by 1080p.
I did not adjust FOV. It does look.
Oh, yeah.
You need that extra. Ooh, there you go.
Oh, this is an enemy too? I'm being chased.
7, 21.
I'm the better Patsy.
7.
Ah! He cannot get back up. Oh no, he won't let me open the freaking door now.
69.
That was a dead person, I think.
Oh no. Patty.
God.
Patty v Patty.
I can't.
Oh no! The Pathy.
That Pathfinder was not meant to be in here. I don't know what rank he is.
I was
but-
using a Pathfinder 1415.
Yeah, that is true.
So yeah, Apex runs great, but man, don't run across that Pathfinder.
For real.
Okay, here we go. Treat everyone with respect, compete with integrity, stay vigilant. I acknowledge.
Acknowledge, Captain, let's go. All right, gamers, we're in the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and we are ready to go. We're on the basic preset, which I'll go ahead and show you because we basic, good graphics and quality. We're on basic, which is basically low settings, so. And it's decently playable. Doesn't feel like incredibly smooth, but you know.
It's probably what it looks like on console, honestly.
Yeah, it's probably similar to what it's on console.
Is it the P90?
Got him.
God, you died quick in this. This is quick.
It is.
Question mark?
Oh, goodness. Who killed me? Yeah, it's pretty cool that with a 1650 and i3, you can, play a game like Call of Duty, a AAA title.
Dude, that thing's powerful.
It is. Oh! Ah!
Ooh.
Ah! Oh, no! Hey, we did it. Whoa! Good game. But yeah, that was pretty fun. Sniping is so broken in this game, but you know what? It's pretty cool. But yeah, what we're gonna go ahead and do with this PC is run some built-in benchmarks to really stress this thing to its limits, but it's pretty cool to see you can play Modern Warfare 2 in 2022, not the old Modern Warfare 2.
Alright guys, we just got done benchmarking this PC that we think was a little bit under $350 our cost. I know we threw out a lot of different numbers. It's kind of how it goes here though. Whenever we plan these builds, a lot of times we don't know what we paid for some of the parts. So we just go with like, you know, typical used listings and whatnot to kind of formulate one. But yeah, we definitely paid under $350 in terms of our costs. So, you know, we'll be able to sell it, you know, for probably like $450 to $550 at PCBros. So make a little bit of money, but also make a very happy gamer out there. And hey, we were even playing the new Call of Duty on this thing, and it did really well.
So yeah, if you're looking to buy a PC from PCBros, obviously head over to PCBros.tech. And if you guys like this video where we basically dive into some, well, used parts that we get on trade-in and stuff, I think I had a good time going back there and just seeing what we had there, putting together a system that can perform very well, even though it's not in the most fancy case in the world. It definitely has some good value for money. Definitely let us know in the comment section down below, and definitely refer your friends to PCBros.tech if you're looking to get a gaming PC.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Peace out. So did you know that we actually have a PC selling business called PCBros.tech? This PC will be for sale over there. And also, PCBros is kind enough to do a monthly giveaway, and that is over at twitch.tv/ToastyBros.
We stream for 6 hours, play some games, give away PC, do some fun stuff, so you have a chance of winning a gaming PC every single second Friday of every single month. Be sure to be followed over on the Twitch stream and buy a PC from PCBros by using code ToastyBros2 on checkout to save 2%. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.